Here's a series circuit, a simple series circuit. We've identified it here. And what we need to find out is we need to find out what the resistance value of this resistor is. And so after we've identified the circuit, what I want to do is I want to fill in my known values up here, and then we'll go from there. So our known values are, we've got 12 volts total, and we know what our amperage is. Our amperage is the same all the way through the circuit. This is a series circuit, so it's 3 amps. And we know what one of the resistors is. Resistor number 1 is 3 ohms. And then we look around, I don't see any other information that we have right off the bat. So then what I can do is I can go back over here and I can fill in the other stuff using Ohm's law and also using the circuit laws. Now if you remember, in a series circuit, voltage is additive, this is additive, amperage is the same, resistance is additive. And so if amperage is the same, amperage anywhere in the circuit is going to be equal to the total amperage. So I can go ahead and put 3 amps here and 3 amps here. So this makes it a little bit easier now, because I've got 2 of my factors for total, and I've got 2 of my factors for resistor number 1, this one here. So if I use Ohm's law right here, which is E over IR, electromotive force, divided by intensity times resistance. Or another way to say that is volts divided by amps times ohms. And so that's another way to say that. So if I was to figure this out, I can use Ohm's law by doing some division and multiplication. So 12 volts divided by 3 amps gives me 4 ohms. Because 12 divided by 3 is 4. And over here I can calculate my voltage drop on this one by multiplying. So 3 times 3 is 9 volts. Okay, now there's a couple ways I can go about doing this. Okay, I can just figure out the resistance, because that's the value we're actually after, is resistance. And I can figure that out just by subtracting 3 from 4, because remember, resistance is additive. So I can say 4 minus 3 is 1. And then I can double check myself by multiplying this out. The other way I can do it is additive, or voltage is additive as well. So I can go 12 minus 9 is 3. And then I can cross-check myself. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. 3's are constant. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And so you see how that all works out? So that's a simple series circuit looking for one resistor.